Guys, please check it. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, please confirm to me, guys. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Right, right. Good evening. Good evening to all. Right, sir. And guys, check it. What we completed there in the last class. What we are discussing actually. I think so. We are discussing about language fundamentals. The topic we are discussing here. So in the language fundamentals, given some few points there in the last classes. What are the few points given there in the last classes there? To prepare Java applications, we required some building blocks which are not possible for developers, which are possible, which must be provided by programming languages only. So these building blocks will cover under which one? Language fundamentals. What are such building blocks actually? Tokens and data types, typecasting, Java statements, arrays. That means later on we will cover that arrays topic just before collections, not now. It's also a part of the language fundamentals. Then in the last class I've given tokens part I started there. So where I've given what is Lexim and what is token. That introduction part I've given. Lexim as an individual logical unit in a Java program. Lexim is an individual logical unit in a Java program. Maybe plus is also a logical unit. For is also a logical unit. Like this. All these are logical units. But all these logical units, all these lexims come under a particular group. That group name is called as which one? A token. Token is nothing but which one? Group representation. Here we can understand it clearly. In the expression, if you observe this, into A is equal to B plus C star D, right, sir? Where 9 number of lexims are available, 4 types of tokens are existed. But each and every lexim is again like which one? A token. But types of tokens are like which one? 4 types of tokens. Right, sir? Understand it clearly? No? To prepare Java applications, Java has provided a set of tokens. What are the various set of tokens are provided by Java? First one is like which one? Identifiers. Next one is literals. Next one is keywords, result words, and fourth one is like which one? Operators. Right. So these are overall 4 types of tokens are existed here. We can understand it now. Next one is after completion of this identifiers. Identifiers part here we are able to provide. What exactly the meaning of identifier? Identifier is a name assigned to the programming elements like variables, methods, classes, and so on. To provide identifiers to the programming elements, we have to use a set of rules and regulations. Right, sir. Good. What are the various set of rules and regulations here we have to follow? First one is like which one? Identifiers must not be started with a number. Identifiers may start with an alphabet, underscore symbol, dollar symbol, but the subsequent symbols may be a number, maybe an alphabet, maybe underscore symbol, maybe dollar symbol. That's okay, fine. A few examples are given and you already selected which things are valid and which things are invalid. All Java identifiers are not allowing spaces. Right, sir. Then some of the examples are given. Input stream reader valid, but input space stream space reader invalid. For name is valid, for space name is invalid. All Java identifiers are not allowing operators and special symbols except underscore symbols and dollar symbol. All Java identifiers are not allowing operators and special symbols except underscore symbol and dollar symbol. Right here we are having some examples for that. Already we have seen this. Fourth one is in Java applications, we are able to use all keywords, primitive data types as identifiers. Right, sir. We are unable to use, not able to use. We are unable to use all keywords and primitive data types as identifiers there. So into A is equal to 10, it's okay, valid. And int float is equal to 10, invalid. And the string break is equal to ABC, invalid. Now, in Java, we are able to use all predefined classes names and interfaces names as identifiers. But later on, if you want to use that classes and interface as original classes names and interfaces names, no, there we have to use fully qualified names. Already we had done some experiments over these points there clearly. Right, sir. After completion of these points here, another thing is like which one? Some suggestions are available to use identifiers in Java. Some suggestions are available in Java to use identifiers. What are the various suggestions we have to follow to use identifiers in Java applications? If we come for these suggestions there, I'm able to give some suggestions like which one? First one, all of you observe this clearly. Guys, all of you understand it. The string XXX is equal to ABC123. Guys, all of you observe this and all of you must respond for it whenever I'm asking questions. String XXX is equal to ABC123. Good. Next one is string ACCNO is equal to ABC123. Tell me guys, which one is more meaningful? Come on, I'm asking to all of you now. Everybody has to give response there. Which one is more meaningful? Which one is more meaningful? First one or second one? Right, sir. First one is not suggestible and the second one is suggestible. Second one is suggestible. Why? Because we know already. What is the point I'm telling here? Blah, blah, blah. If I say like this, nothing we are getting. So no meaning is available. Similarly, XXX, no meaning for it. ACCNO, just we can understand it. By seeing that name, easily we can understand it represents account number. ABC123 is like which one? Account number. So in a Java, it is suggestible to provide all identifiers with a particular meaning. All of you guys understand this point now. In Java, it is suggestible to provide all identifiers with a particular meaning. It is suggestible to provide all identifiers with a particular meaning. Meaningful identifiers we have to provide. Of course, both are possible in the case of Java. I can write this in a section, I can compare and execute it, and the second, see, I will show that point also clearly. So both are suggestible. We don't have any problem with that. I can write like which one here class tester. Here I can go for like which one here string XXX is equal to ABC123. Right? I can display that value also, XXX value also I can display there. I can understand it clearly now. Similarly, string account number is equal to same ABC123. I can go for it. Now here also I'm able to provide like which one system.out.println of like which one here account number. Tester.java, just if we save this, redrive. Right, so now Java 6, just tester.java. I can compare and I can execute it. It will not give any problem. I can provide this. Now let me open it and here let me go for it. D:/CD Java 6. All right, so now Java C space tester.java. No compilation error max. Right, sir. You can run it. Java space test. We are getting output like ABC123 in both the cases now. So the point is which one? First one is meaningless and the second one is meaningful. That's why it is suggestible to go for which one? Second one. This is first point. Okay, guys. Now, second session I'm telling to you, all of you understand it clearly. Say for example, string right, guys. Now tell me, all of you now tell me which one is easy to read and which one is not easy to read. First one is which one is easy to understand, which one is easy to read. Now tell me. Right, sir. Which one is easy to read? Definitely. All of you are saying like which one, you know? Second one. So that's why, just as per your opinion, I'm saying here, this is not suggestible. This is not suggestible. And second one is suggestible. This is not suggestible. And second one is suggestible. Although this clear. So the point is like which one here? What is the point I'm telling you? In a Java, it is suggestible to provide all identifiers. It is suggestible to provide all identifiers with the length around 10 symbols. up to around 10 symbols. It is suggestible to provide all identifiers with the length up to around 10 symbols. Maybe less than 10 symbols or maybe around 10 symbols, 1 or 2 symbols less or more, whatever it may be. So that we are able to provide. This is suggestion. But still it is possible. Then this instruction is possible in the case of Java. We can use that. And the second one is also be possible in the case of Java. We can understand it now clearly now. Right, sir. Now okay, I'm able to provide the first one. At the same time, I can go for like which one case string permanent emp like which one case address is equal to I can provide like this. Both are possible. I can display both the values. It's not out and print and off like which one care. And just I will copy this totally what I provided here. Right. Similarly, I will provide sysnot.out println of right, permanent employee address. This one also here we are able to provide it. Right. I'll compare and execute this. Here we are able to get some output now. Error we are getting semicolon is required, but every statement in Java must be terminated with a semicolon. We can understand it clearly. Java C space test.java compiled successfully and we executed. Then both the times here we are getting output. Okay, that's it. This is one comparison here we can provide here clearly. Right. Now third point here I'm asking to you guys. Again here we have to say which one is suggestible and which one is not suggestible. I'll write two statements now. String temp emp addr is equal to Hyderabad. Good. And the string temp underscore emp underscore addr is equal to Hyderabad. Come on guys, now tell me which one is more readable, which one is easy to read, which one is easy to understand, which one is more readable. All of you respond for my question there. I'm asking to you only. Which one is more readable? Right, second one is more readable. First one is not much. In the relative comparison, the previous case, second one is good. But in this present comparison, second one is more readable. First one is not like that. So here the point is like which one? If we have multiple words in a single identifier, if you have multiple words in a single identifier, then it is suggestible to separate multiple words with special notations like which one here underscore symbol. Right. This is what exactly the point here I'm telling you. If you have multiple words in a single identifier, then it is suggestible to separate multiple words with the special notations like which one no underscore symbol. String temp emp editor is equal to identifier. This is not suggestible. And the second one is like which one can no suggestible. That's it. This is another suggestion here we can understand it. Guys, all of you observe this clearly what I'm telling to you. That's it. All of you are getting clarity on my point now. Come on guys, please respond for me. Right. Right, sir. Good. Guys, I'm telling to you clearly, this is like which one get suggestions only. These guys, those who are understand my point clearly. All these are like which one can know suggestions only. There is no mandatory condition. We are going to follow the same conventions. All these are like which one get suggestions only. You know already there is a lot of difference between suggestions and conditions. If Java made all these are conditions, definitely everybody must follow them. But Java has provided all these are like which one no? Java has provided all these are like which one you know suggestions. Suggestions only means that may follow, may not follow. That depends on you. But suggestible thing is which one try to follow that. In some situations you may use this one also, maybe depending on the developer. But that actual suggestible thing is which one? Temp underscore emp underscore addr. Identified. As guys, all of you are getting my point now. Yes, there is. I'm talking to you only. Have you understood what exactly the point I'm saying to you? These are suggestions only. Yeah, good. If you use second one, that will be better. Right. Listen clearly. Next one is after completion of this, after understanding all these things now. So by this, what we are completing here overall here we understood like which one here identifiers part we completed. After this, what we are discussing actually, we are discussing about language fundamentals. In a language fundamentals overall, 5 things are existed. Of course, we are going to understand 4 things: tokens, data types, typecasting, and Java statements. And again, tokens are available in 4 number. One is like which one identifier, next one is literal, third one is keywords or result words, next one is like which one operators. Overall, 4 things are existed, guys. After this, clear. Out of them, then we started already identifiers, and identifiers part we completed. And next one is like which one? They're literals. Literals here we have to understand it clearly. Right, sir. So let's understand these literals. What exactly the meaning of literal? All of you have this clearly. Literals. Guys, I'm asking to you clearly. Int a is equal to 10 semicolon. I've written a statement. Understand, guys? Int a is equal to 10. I've written. So what is this int actually? Come on, guys. Now all of you now tell me what is this int actually? Int is a data type. Am I right or not? Int is a data types. That's fine. And a is which one here? Now tell me no. A is like which one here? No. A is a variable. Okay, fine, no problem. We can say this is like which one here? No, identifier. No issues. Both are valid. No. Is equal to is which one here? Now tell me, sir. What is this? Is equal to no. Right, sir. Is equal to is like which one here? Operator. That's fine. Clear. Next one is 10 is like which one, sir? Now tell me what is this 10 actually? 10 is a constant. 10 is like which one? A constant. Right, sir. Constant, integer constant. And next one is another point is semicolon. What is this semicolon here, guys? After this clearly, what is this semicolon? Right, semicolon is like which one? Cannot terminator or special symbol in a Java. Special symbol or terminator. Observe this. So these are like which one can know all these points here we are getting exactly. We can understand it now. Okay, my point is what exactly the meaning of literal. A literal is a constant assigned to a variable. Literal is a constant assigned to a variable. So that constant is nothing but which one? A literal. Point is very clear. Literal is a constant assigned to the variables. Literal is a constant assigned to the variables. That's it. All of you understand this clearly. Literal is a constant assigned to the variables. Right, sir. Now here, what is literal actually? 10 is a literal. 10 is a constant which is assigned to a variable. 10 is which one? No, literal. That's it. This is what exactly the meaning of like which one? Literals. Good. What are the various literals? What are the various literals which are available in Java? If you compare these types of literals in Java, no, understand it clearly. Say for example, first of all, integer or integral group literals. Integer or integral group literals. What are these integer or integral group literals? Say for example, you can think of it byte, short, int, long. All these data types are available under integer or integral group literals. Their values may be 10, 20, 30, and so on and so on and so on. We're able to provide some values, whatever it may be. Alright, so these are like which one you know, integer or integral group literals. But each and every type is having some boundaries, no? That boundaries are depending on bytes. Later on, we will discuss there. In the data types part, we will discuss about the boundaries exactly. Right, sir. But as of now, literals like this, these are available. Good. Next one is after that, floating point literals. Floating point literals are existed. What are the various floating point literals are existed here? Just we can observe this clearly. Floating point literals are two data types are existed: float Guys, I'm telling to you clearly, one small point here I'm telling to you, to represent long values, we have to use L as a suffix for the numbers in general. To represent long values, right, we have to use L as a suffix for the numbers. It's a specification to represent long values. Of course, without L also we can represent there, but we are able to represent it. Just let's understand this clearly. No, I'll take one example. Just through that I'm able to show that. Say for example, into A is equal to 100, I provide it. Understand it now. This 100 by default is like which under they know which one is their integer. That integer value here be provided. For example, say for example, I want to take long L is equal to 100. No problem. We can assign this. Why? Because 100 is a lower data type when compared with long. So we can assign that 100 integer value to like which one? L. No problem here. Say for example, I want to represent mobile numbers into mobile, or else maybe I want to take mobile is equal to just what I want to provide the 10 digit number here I want to provide 10 digit number. Observe this clearly. Right, sir. 10 digit number is like which one here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, and again I want to provide 1. For example, let me check this. What is going to be happening here now? System outed println of mobile. System outed println of mobile. Right, sir. Now let me check this. Semicolon is required. Okay, fine. I'll provide this semicolon. That's okay. Good. Up to now, we are not getting any problem. Observe this clearly. We are able to get output. That's okay, fine. Now here on I'm telling to you clearly. Just I want to provide long. Long I provided, but at right side just I specified a number, but I did not specify any L. Observe this clearly. Long mobile number, just I specified that. Now observe this clearly. What I'm able to get now. No compilation error. Here also we are getting the data. Okay. Say for example, some more value here I want to provide. Definitely, sir. Here we are able to get some value. Yes. Right. See, observe this clearly. I provided some number, not only mobile number. Just forget about this. I've taken example mobile now. Just we can understand a number. Say for example, long number. I've taken that. Right, sir. NO. I've taken that. Right. All of you observe this. I provided some number. Here, what we are getting there at right side, I did not specify any suffix there. Directly here we are getting like which one here now. Right. So integer number too large. Like this here we are getting some value. Integer number too large. We are getting it. So why? Because it is taking that integer value right side there, but it is too large. Right. The solution here, what I am providing to you. For example, if I provide L here as a suffix, L if I provide there, now this L is an indication to the compiler JVM. This number is under long, not under integer. This is a number. It is like which one can know long. We can understand it clearly. So that's why now when I compile this program here, we are able to get like which one can know long here. Right, sir. Now here we are not getting any compilation error. Here we are able to execute it. Then we are able to get some output clearly. Right, sir. Then it's not like that. Then integer range, if we cross there, that we are unable to represent as a number as an integer, that we have to represent there. We have to represent like which one? No, long value. Right, sir. In general, more than 10 if you provide there, then we are able to provide this kind of scenarios there. So in general, in the small values, in a normal small values, we can use like which one? Directly we can assign that value there. Clear. Small values we can assign directly to the long variable. But whenever we want to provide too much long values there, where some situation that number may cross the integer value, integer range. Whenever it is crossing that integer range, then definitely we have to specify L as a suffix. Then only that number will be valid. As guys, all of you are getting my point or not? All of you are getting my points or not clearly now? My response, guys. Right. Next one is then similarly just what I am giving clarity there. Then after that, after completion of this particular point here, is it possible to provide small L? Is that only capital L or only small L? That I want to know. Just I want to check it. Small L is possible or not? This is specified as a small L, guys. Observe this clearly. This is specified as small L. If it is not allowed, definitely we are able to get compilation error. Otherwise, if it is allowed here, you will not get any compilation error. Let me check this now. Small L I provided. Right, sir. No compilation error, we are getting that output. Of course, I saved my program also. I saved it. Again, I want to compile this. Right, sir. Now, Java C space test.java. No compilation error here, we are getting it. So here, what is the point I'm telling there? To represent long values, we have to use either capital L or small as for the number. Right. This is the point here, we can understand it clearly. Right, sir. That's okay, good. Leave this point here. Floating point literals are available. Under these floating point literals, two types are existed. What are the two types of these floating point literals there? What are the two types here? First one is like which one here? First type is like which one? We can understand it. Say for example, first type is like which one? Float. Under this float here, we have to provide some numbers like this format, but it is mandatory to specify f as a suffix. For float variables, for float numbers, we have to specify l as a suffix. Sorry, f as a suffix. We can use like this 33.345 f and 567.456 f. Definitely, we have to specify that f is mandatory. F is mandatory. It's a float type. Understand it clearly now. Right, sir. Now, here, just I will go for this point here. I want to show this point. So first of all, I want to show like which one can float f is equal to 20.22. Without specifying anything here, I provided this. It's not outward println of f. All right, then I provided this. I'll do this clearly now. Let me compile this. I want to compile and execute this program here. Java C space test.java. Here we are getting that value incompatible types, possible lossy conversion from which type to which types are now tell me no. Double to float we are getting there. So by default, if you provide a number, then a fraction value if you provide there, where by default it is treated as which one there no, as a double value, not float value. But we are trying to assign float value to the float variable, but here internally it has taken double value. So what I have to know, what we have to do now, right, sir? We need to provide like which one you know, we need to provide like which one, this float value as a float only. We need to say this 22.22 as which value you know, float value only, that we have to specify clearly. Right, sir. Now further purpose here, what I'm able to do there clearly. Right, sir. Now I need to specify it's a float value. That's why I must use that which one there no, f. F is a suffix here, we have to provide. Guys, observe this clearly now. Now what I will do here, Java C is test.java, no compilation error. Now here we are able to get some value clearly. 22.22 like is here we are getting it. Do this, guys. Then after that, after completion of this particular point here, another thing is like which one here, just I want to go for double value. For example, double D is equal to 2345.3456. Something else I'm using. Double value we can represent that fraction values without having any suffix. Without having any suffix also we can represent the double value. So it's not outward println of D. Right, sir. Without having suffix, if you provide any fraction value like this, integral value dot some fraction value if you provide there, so by default compiler and JVM will think it is a double value. The default fraction value is which one? Double, not float. That's why here we can provide like which one you know, this content you know. Now let me compile and execute this here. What we are able to get? No compilation error. Here we are getting that value now. At the same time, if you want to use double value, we can use that suffix D also we can use there. If you want to clearly, if you want to provide more clearly, this is a double value, then we can use the suffix there, D, capital D here, we can provide anyway. Let us check is possible or not possible here regarding this double value. Yes, now here we are able to get it. Now here we are able to use like which one? No, like this content clearly now. Right, sir. This is what exactly the point here we are able to understand it clearly. In general, if the integral value and fraction value is a less numbers, if you want to provide, there we will go for float value. Say for example, I want to calculate temperature. Temperature max is which one? The max values of this temperature is which one you know? Maybe 40 or 50 point something else. This is like which one can fraction. But I want to go for like which one can more integral, more fraction values and more integral. Minute values if you want to provide there we will go for like in which one you know, double type here we are able to provide. Say for example, if you want to go for more and more bigger values on this fraction type, no, there we will go for like which one here, double values. This is in general here we can understand clearly. Right, sir. Now here, what about this point clearly? What I'm telling to you know, this is double. But here I have a question, one more question. Is it possible to provide small capital F for float values? No. Float F is equal to 22.22. capital F is possible, small f we have seen that already. Is that capital F is possible? Okay, no. This I want to check this. Sysna doubted println of f. Sysna doubted println of f. Here we can use that small f and capital F that I want to use. Let me check this. Compiled successfully, and here we are getting some output. In output, we are not going to get any f or any t. No. In the case of d, also small d is possible or not. I want to check this. Right, sir. In the case of this d, small d is possible or not, that I can check now. Right, sir. That's it is possible here. So here that condition is like which one here? Double value. Here we can understand it. Double thing is like which one here? We can provide like which one here? Some values like which one here? No, and 567.678 something else. Directly we are able to provide this. But here node kind of point is which one here? Right, sir. To represent float to literal, we will use. To represent float to literal, we will use either small f, or capital F as a suffix. It's mandatory. Next one is like which one cannot to represent double value. To represent double value, it is not mandatory to use suffix. It's not mandatory to use suffix. Observe this clearly. But if you want to use any suffix there, then what we have to do? No? But if you want to provide any suffix value, if you want to use any suffix value, then we have to use either which one like here small d or capital D, that we are able to provide. This is like which one another thing. Here we can understand it clearly. Right, sir. These are about like which one there floating point or literal scale we can understand it. Right, sir. Right, sir. Next one is after completion of this content here. Yes, exactly. Neelish, right. More and more number of integral and like a fraction values there. Then after decimal, then we have to go for like which one double. And if you want to represent this in a fraction side or maybe integral side, small numbers there, then we will go for like which one no and a float. These are clarity here. We can understand it now. Right, sir. So next one is then after that, then string literals are existed, sir. Next type is which one? String literals. String literals. All of you observe this clearly. Anything we represented, anyway, string data type will come. But please remember this, in the case of C and C++, string may be primitive data type or linear data type. But in the case of Java, string is not a primitive data type, string is a class type. That all classes are come under which one? User defined data types. No, string is a class in the case of Java. Under class type here, we are able to get. Right, sir. Observe this clearly now. Now, right, what is the meaning of fraction value? I think so. After dot, whatever the values here we provide, then these things here we used to say. These things after this dot values. There is understood it? Guys, all these are very, very fundamentals. Just I'm repeating what are the various things are existed here now. But on this, what is fraction value, what is integral value in the sense, it's a too much low level. Think of which. Right. Then my thinking of giving clarity is which one here? Right, sir. My thinking of giving clarity is like which one here? Already had a little bit awareness on this mathematical background. Mathematics in the sense, just numbers on I'm talking there. So what are these like which one here? Fraction values, what is integral, what if you're asking again, what is integral value and what is fraction value in the sense? So it's totally then how I'm going to forward to the next concepts one. So the basics of the basics, right? You need to have awareness on it. Right, sir. Why will go for float and double? That's what I said to you clearly now. And there is, and do you have any awareness on C programming language? No, that's a problem. So better what I am telling to you, all these points will be very much clear in the C programming language. So better to complete C programming language than plan for Java. Why? Because and all these things are going to be just, we are not going to think much about these concepts there in Java. In Java Max, we are going to provide like which one here? Object orientation and enterprise application development, these kind of things here we are going to discuss there. So if you are not having clarity on all these points now, better to go for C programming language. Better complete that C programming language, then come for it. Actually, it's not required, but as per your doubts, what I am thinking there, you're asking about this small things only. So I think so you're lag with very much basics, very fundamental points. I'm talking there. There also you are getting some doubts. So please plan for C programming language first. Then better to come for Java after that. Then that will be good thing. As per my view, I'm telling there. Just my personal opinion. I'm telling there. Right, sir. Right, sir. Anyway, just good thing of it. Now come for this. Which one? String literals. Point I'm telling here. So what is this string literal? Under this string literal, guys, already given clarity. Wherever we want to represent small integral values and fraction values, there we are going to use which one? Float type. Whenever we want to represent it big and big. Say for example, then calculating some mean value. For example, I have 1,000 employees salaries are available. There I want to calculate like which one here. 1,000 employees salaries are available. There I want to calculate like which one here their mean value or a deviation might be some different. Then calculations, scientific calculations. I want to go there. Then definitely I required like which one double calculations, double data types here we are going to use. So this is the difference between like which one float and double in general. Simple an integral value dot to some fraction value if you want to provide, there we will go for like which one? Float. And double in the sense like which one get more clear, more what I'm telling to in the case of bigger values, bigger fraction values here if you want to provide it, then see if you go for this minute calculations, more fraction digits here we have to specify there. So there definitely we require like which one there, double. Especially if I want to go for it now, in a scientific calculations we require more about this double. Right, sir. Right, sir. Now that we can observe this clearly. Next one is like which one here? String literals. String literals. Right, sir. And then after completion of this, then coming to the string data type, no. So regarding the string here, what we are able to provide there, then anything we specified within this double quotations is come under like which one? String data type. Anything we specified inside these double quotations, then that will be like which one? No, string literals. Right, sir. Now just we can observe this clearly. Inside this, we are able to provide like which one? ABC, for example, comma, like here, anything here. Now just I want to provide like which one? XYZ, comma, then like this. And the goodness and the good thing about this string is which one? Not only these characters, even we can represent numbers also. These are the double quotations. Right, sir. We can provide like which one? Double quotations also here. We can insert these double quotations. We can provide like which one? These numbers clearly. Right, so now mix up of digits and as well as numbers here we can provide there. Say for example, just what I want to provide there, ABC 1 2 3 here I want to provide. So all the things are possible in the case of which one? No, double quotations. After this clear, so this is what exactly the meaning of which one? String literals here I'm telling you. But some special characters are not allowed. Max number of special characters are allowed here. Some special characters are not allowed here. Understand it? What are the special characters here which are allowed and which are not allowed? I will give some clarity. Anyway, guys, and all these things are not required. Remember, by practice only. Whenever we are getting some situations there, on the basis of that only, we are going to understand all of them. Say, for example, just what I am telling to you, string string str1 is equal to ABC, and string str2 is equal to DEF. All right, sir, not like it. Just I want to say like which one here. Just numbers here I want to specify there. That's okay, fine. Let me display these two values. System.out.println of like which one here? str1. All right, sir. System.out.println of like which one? No, str2. Right, sir. These two values here I want to provide. Java C space test.java. Right, sir. And next one is right, sir. Java space test. Here we are getting some output like which one? ABC 1 2 3. Right, sir. Next one is like which one? Special symbols. Just I want to talk like. Just I want to go for both the combinations here. We can understand it now. String str3 is equal to ABC 1 2 3. Here we can use that. All right, so now system.out.println of right. What next one here? str3. right? Java space test here we are getting like which one? ABC 1, 2, 3, right, sir? Next one is after completion of this points here, I want to go for some special symbols cases. No, just observe this clearly. String str one is equal to, say for example, just I want to provide like which one here? Durga@gmail.com. For example, I'll provide this email. Right, sir. Observe this clearly. I have used some special symbol or not. @ symbol here we are able to use there. Just let me check this. It's possible. We can display these values definitely. Sysnot output println of email. Right, sir. We are able to use this @ symbol. Right, sir. Gmail. Then that we are able to get output. Can I use like which one? Can know some other thing like which one hash symbol can I use there? Hash Hyderabad. Is it possible there? No. Some value here. See, then I'll give one example also for this. Hash symbol is possible. Just observe this clearly. What we are able to get when we are using this hash symbol. Yes, sir. It's possible. Just we can use that. Havish and havish. Continuously you are sending one message. In which data type can we use -1, -4? All these native values. All right. See, and these values we can use under byte, short, int. You know already, right? These native values are also be possible under this now. Examples I said to you clearly. These values get some 10 like this and 15 like this I have said to you. So negative values -1, -10 is come under which data type we are asking this question now. Havish. I'm asking to you only. Right, sir. Just these are very, very fundamentals. But again, we are asking there -1, -4. Guys, now tell me -1 and -4 are come under which data types? All of you are having clarity on it. -1 and -4 are come under which data type? No. -1 and -4. Integer. So we can use that. So that values are available there. -1 and -2, -4. These are come under integer only. Okay, guys, and see by seeing your questions now, I'm not satisfying with your performance there. Just why? Because you're asking these questions from very, 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 very low level. Then how it is to forward our concepts there? If you're not having awareness on all these things now, just first of all give clarity for me. Then see these are mathematical points and simple content there clearly, then how can you understand it clearly, not only in the Java side, is a minimum skills. All these things are which one minimum basics in the computer science. Not only in the computer science, in any graduate, these things are minimum in general. Okay, fine. Havish, really? Is it really what you said to me? You're 11 years old. Really? You're only 11 years old. Havish, I'm asking to you. You're really 11 years old. Which class you are studying now? Which class you are studying now? 5th class. 5th class. 11 years old, 5th class. In UK. Okay. Oh, good. Oh, but what is the need of this Java, guys? Avish, and what is the need of this Java for you? Is there in our syllabus? Avish, you're 11 years kid and UK you're studying 5th standard. Just 1 minute wait. I will unmute. I'll unmute you. Just you can speak now. Guys, just 2 minutes of time. Interesting today. Yeah, Havish, hello.
Yeah,
speak out?
hello. Yeah. It's
Havish?
just for my. Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah. It's good. Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, sir.
Hi.
It's just for my personal use. I mean, I just wanted to learn it. That's why.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I'm studying HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and all sorts of Golang
Yeah,
and all.
great. Yeah. It's totally your personal, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, what do you want to do with this?
I don't know.
In your
So
high school, it will be useful for you to do the assignments as well.
yeah, it will be easy for me to do my assessments in high school and universities. So mom and dad said that it would be good if you learn how to do all of these stuff.
Yeah. Good. Is your mother is available with you besides
Yes.
you?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Good. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, Havish, and it's really great. And by hearing you from your side, it's anyway then personal use in the sense, may I know what is that personal use at least? Assignments might be your mother has given help to you. What is your personal use? Can I know?
Just to fidget about, use it in my website and all.
I have created my
Yeah,
website.
just
Yeah, I've created my website.
Okay. Already you completed your website?
Yeah.
No, it's
Yeah, completed. What is
It's
that name?
did not finish it, right?
Havish.com, and it's still under program. I'm just still building it.
Yeah, okay, fine. Good. You want to prepare your own website, still is under
Yes.
processing, and for that you want to learn Java, right?
Yeah, for
At
backend.
least, do you know? Yeah, that's why Havish.com. Guys, it's really great, amazing today, even. Okay, good. And tell me which word of Java is required to prepare websites? Any idea for that?
No.
Okay, just you are learning core Java now. Just you
Yeah.
are learning core Java. Then which part of Java is useful to prepare your website? I think already you started your website, right? Website creation
Yeah.
already you started, right?
Yeah.
Which technology you have used there?
I'm using Bootstrap and HTML and CSS. I'm still learning
Yeah.
JavaScript.
Acha, fine. And Bootstrap you are using HTML, CSS,
Now you have
and you are
completed
learning
100
JavaScript.
classes. You are doing all that by studying yourself and Chippu.
Yeah, I didn't take any classes on HTML and CSS. I was just doing my own research, online searching, and all sorts of things.
And you developed
Yeah,
this.
very good.
Yeah.
And very good. What is your channel to prepare yourself? Through which channel you prepared?
Tutorial Point, Durga Soft, and more loads more.
Very good. Durga sir videos also you studied, right?
Yeah, I just learned some basic Python things in
Okay,
Durga
fine.
Soft.
Udemy
Yeah,
also.
Durga sir, I think so. Durga sir videos are there, right?
Yeah, I learned a few. I listened to a few of them.
Yeah. Good. Very good. And okay, fine. HTML, CSS, and all good.
Mm.
Right. It's fine. And can you give 1 minute your mic to your mother?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am. Namaskaram, అమ్మా.
నమస్కారం అండి.
తెలుగు కదా మీరు ఎక్కడి నుంచి
అవునండి,
నేటివ్ ప్లేస్
తెలుగు.
ఏంటి?
యాక్చువల్‌గా వరంగల్ అండి మాది. కానీ సెటిల్డ్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. ఇప్పుడు కొన్ని ఇయర్స్ నుంచి మేము యూకేలో ఉంటున్నాము. అయితే మా
ఓకే.
బాబుకి ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంది. తనే యూట్యూబ్ అవన్నీ చూసి తనే క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నాడు ఒక వెబ్‌సైట్. అయితే మేము
ఓకే.
అనుకున్నాము, సరే ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంది కదా! జావా క్లాసెస్ ఇప్పిస్తే హి
1
విల్
minute, ma'am.
స్టార్ట్.
1 minute. Can you please speak in English? No, better. Our students are listening. All these things. Just we want to know. It's more interesting actually. Even we didn't
ఓకే.
expected this kind of thing. No, please speak in English. Yeah.
Okay. Actually, he was doing all his R&D from YouTube by seeing Durga Soft
Yeah.
videos and Tutorial Point, W3 Schools and all. And he did Havish.com website. So
Yeah.
we felt very happy after doing that. So we thought we'll give him some proper programming knowledge by taking
Yeah.
classes and all. Then he can
Yeah.
do. It's double A.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is not perfect, but he
Yeah,
being
no
11
problem.
years old, he's trying to do something. So we encourage him to do.
Yeah, it's very hats off. Then at least 11 years kid, it's a matter of fifth
I
class or maybe
even
sixth class.
me,
These people are,
even me and my husband, we never did this kind of help for this website. We just gave some money to host this website. That's it. Everything he was handled by himself. So we thought we'll go in a proper way, and he'll learn Java professionally. So
yeah.
it might help
Yeah,
him
this
in
is
his
the
high school.
hero. Yeah,
It's
yeah,
it's an old photo. It's a further old photo
yeah,
when he was very young. Now he is 11-year
yeah.
old.
11-year-old. Even though
Yeah.
11-year-old, it's a kid only, right? In the
Yeah.
programming language. Yeah, it's very clear, and it's very good. And he's a child, and all my wishes are available to him. Just
Thank you
and
so much, sir.
I will give access to him. Then further any help he required there, just we will give pop up. But
Yeah.
then anyway, then your contribution and your motivation for your child is very great here. Even
Thank you.
maybe
Thank you.
then 6 to 7 years back, I got this kind of situation in my class there. When I was in
Mhm.
offline class, a 10th class student came to my Struts framework by the time. 10th
Oh,
class
okay.
student and at Hyderabad, opposite to in SR Nagar, at opposite to Durgazab, there is a school,
Mhm.
Bashim Public School actually. That
Okay.
school was completed by 5 o'clock. At by 5 o'clock, he came to my class. At
Oh,
by 5 o'clock, I used
once
to
he
take like
finishes the
this.
school,
Yeah,
yeah.
school directly with the school bag. He came to my class there. Almost 5 to 6 years back, I was seen at SR Nagar. There's a
Okay.
Bashim Public School opposite only we have our institute there by the time. So by the time I have
Okay.
seen the 10th class student in my Struts class there. But now
Okay.
I am now again the same type of situation. But the situation is
He's a half
this
of his
hero
age.
is from
Yeah.
sixth
He's from fifth.
fifth
He's
class
fifth. And now we are under a quarantine period, so it's a
quarantine. Yeah,
lockdown. And
exactly. Yeah.
yeah, so
Yeah.
he doesn't have any school. So we thought that in 3 months he'll complete the course. He'll have a
Yeah.
idea.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we
Really,
thought,
then today what I have seen there just initially might be is giving some lines to me. Actually, in the message I've seen that. Why
okay.
then I thought of it, and Havish is not a kid. I thought of it as a graduate, might be the BTech graduate like that. I thought.
No, no.
So
He's
yes, I
just
thought of it. I want to take a class to him after the class. That is one thing. And he's asking very fundamental questions. Then by the time I thought of it, why he's asking like that. But now by listening all these things, really I feel very happy for it. So even
Thank you, sir. Thank you
understand
so
it.
much.
Then all these generations are going on like this only. Right, sir.
Yeah,
Good,
their
good, ma'am.
school
Thank you.
also, in their school also, they encourage kids to learn programmings.
Yeah, yeah.
So we are also encouraging him to learn things. Yeah,
Acha, acha. At UK, at which place you are?
Nottingham.
Acha, acha. Fine. Not good, good.
Yeah, it's a
Uh,
2.5 hours from London.
okay, fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some of these students are also be from the same. Might be UK students are also be available at present the same
Mm,
webinar now. So throughout the world,
okay.
people are there. Nearly almost all
Yeah,
150
he
plus
was
members
telling
are there
people are
at
from
present.
Pakistan and Afghanistan also joining. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, ma.
Yeah,
It's great,
if
great to
he's
hear
troubling
all
you,
this from
sir,
you.
please bear with him and teach him.
No. Definitely. Now I understood the situation. Yes, I can teach each and every point to him. No need to worry for that.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Then
Thank you so
when
much.
I type he is myself is a kid like that. I didn't even I didn't trusted him when he typed there.
Okay, okay. No, he is a
Yeah,
kid.
yeah,
He's just 11 years
yeah,
old.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Just I know just by talking with him, really wonderful, and it's a great future you will have there. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you, ma'am.
thank you.
Thanks a lot, and
Thank you, sir.
I'll continue this class anyway. And
Yeah,
just I'm sending my number to you in chat message there. I'm
yeah,
sending that number. Take this number. Just
yeah.
you can text me whenever we have any queries regarding this. Just I'll give some personal support also for that.
Thank
Just
you
I'll
so
give this
much.
anyway.
We are
Yeah.
overwhelmed with this, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Just I will share my number also. Just we can take that anyway. No problem there.
Yeah, thank you.
I wish. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Check once. Have you received my
Yeah,
number there?
I received it, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. And then please. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. I will unmute. I will unmute. Okay, fine. Just
Yeah.
let him to
Thanks for
listen
your
the class.
support, sir. Yeah. Havish, now you can hear to the class.
Okay, guys, all of you listen this wonderful hero today. Yes, guys, all the remaining members, I am talking with you only. Havish. Yeah, it's really, yeah, for some of it shocking, guys. Guys, just one simple comparison to you. What is your age and what is his age? Think of it. Very shocking. Then 11 years kid and he's almost fifth standard. Right. Definitely, he will get very great future. See how much is in advance. Just think of it. And moreover, he's saying like which one? It's not for my academic career. It's my totally personal interest, and he want to prepare his own website. Understand it, guys? Total almost all one generation gap, right? Right, sir. Good, sir. Definitely. Then we want to see him like another Sundar Pichai in the future. Yeah, we want to see him as like another Sundar Pichai. And like this, the great people, definitely, he had very good future. You see, at the age of 11 years and at the fifth standard, learning these Java classes. And he said to me, see, this is a website, Havish.com. Is a cute boy. Is a old picture. Might be somewhat better now. Good. Right, guys. And so that one thing I'm telling you regarding this, see that support that the child is getting. First point is he had his own interest. He had his own interest. And second thing is which one? Second thing is which one? Parent support. Right, sir. In outside might be at the 11 years of time, might be people are not aware what is that and all. Junior Durgasod faculty. Right, sir. Definitely. At the end of the class, if this course is going to be completed smoothly, at the end of the class, I will make Havish to conduct one class there through online. Definitely, no. Definitely. His parents are very much happy and their support is important. They are encouraging him like that. So definitely at a home, good parents and well-educated parents are available. Definitely, childs will be like this only. This is one thing. At the same time, childs must have some interest also there. No, right, sir? Good, great. So today, just one hero I met anyway. Finally, good guys. That's fine. Now coming to the content here, right, sir? One more last message. In India, our schools are restricting students to explore the world. Yeah, of course, right. And so it is not my offline class, sir. It is online class. At least if it is offline class, just at least we'll celebrate it actually. But here we are not having any celebration type of thing here. But anyway, it's great to hear this kind of things from the people there. Right, sir. Just anyway, good. Now coming to these points here clearly, guys, all of you understand this clearly, no? Where floating points are utilized and where like double values, where float data type and double data types are utilized there. Again, we will discuss these concepts in the case of like which one here data types no more clearly. But as of now, the point is like which one here. Float will be used whenever we want to provide fraction values in a small amount. Like which one here? Just I want to calculate some temperature in outside some temperature. Just I want to say like which one here 1.5 liter milk, 1.5 liter oil. Like this I want to say. So in that situations we are going to use like which one float care. But when we want to go for this double values here, just I want to go for some scientific calculations like which one here. Say for example, what I'm telling you know, some latitude or magnitude or this kind of calculations I want to go there. So where I require more number of digits after dot also. So more and more number of digits I require this half of this dot also. Then maybe then fraction values, that fraction, nanoseconds, milliseconds, or maybe like which one micro. So this kind of calculations, if you want to go there, then definitely we will go for like which one can no double data type we are going to use there. Have you understood what I said to you? Have you understood? Yeah, good. That's fine. Good. Right. Now this is what exactly the content here we can understand. Now coming to these string literals, we are discussing about the string literals there. ABC and XYZ and 1, 2, 3 and ABC 1, 2, 3. This is the data here we are getting as. Observe this clearly, no? So anything we represented in double quotations. That thing is like which one can no? You can understand that thing is like which one can. 1 minute, guys. That thing is like which one can string literal care we are able to say.
Right, guys. Now that thing is like which one can know string literal. Here we are able to provide clearly. Right. Then after completion of this point here, then what I am giving clarity there. Yeah, special characters you are talking there. Then we can use all special characters, but except some special characters. That's as per my awareness, one special character might not be possible. Maybe let me check this one. Already we have seen a hash and we have seen like which one @ symbol. This kind of special characters here we can use there. Anyway, no problem. But now I want to use like which one here? Durga Software Solutions. Durga Software Solutions. Durga Software Solutions here we are providing. Of course, space is available. Now what I want to there, just I want to separate this data with forward slash. So these are nothing but like which one here? Escape characters. You can understand it clearly. Escape characters here I specified clearly. Java C space test.java. Let me check it. So no compilation error. We are able to get some output here. Durga slash software slash solutions. So okay, good. So forward slashes are allowed. Just I want to check backward slashes, for example. I want to check with like which one there backward slashes. This is my point. Guys, observe this clearly. Backward slashes here I want to provide. Observe this carefully. Let me save this. Backward slashes. Java C space test.java. So here we are getting some error. So backward slashes are having some other meaning. Maybe in Java not required. Which meaning it is available not required, but having some other meaning. But now inside this string that backward slashes are not possible. Answer my point now. Number of symbols are available, number of special characters are possible, but forward slash is possible, but backward slash is not possible in the case of this one. Answer my point clearly. Right, sir. This is one thing here we can use clearly now. Next one is apart from this. See, they're not required to remember all these things. By practice, we are able to get it. But then in general, nobody will check which special character is possible and which thing is not possible in the case of string. Not required now, as of now. But the thing is like which one here? All special symbols are existed, but some special symbols like backward slashes are not allowed. This point only here we have to understand clearly now. Right, sir. Otherwise, just one time check all these special characters there, right from dot and all. I think so. Maybe all the remaining special characters are possible, but backward slash is not possible in the case of these double quotations. Anyway, one time check this content also clearly. Right, yes, that's okay, fine. Next one is I have a question now. Anything we represented in the form of double quotations that is treated as which one? No, double quotations. That's okay, fine. But here my question is, is it possible to provide? Is it possible to provide? Is it possible to provide? Is it possible to provide single quotations in double quotations? Is it possible to provide single quotations in double quotations? Come on, guys, think of it. Havish, understand it. What I'm telling you. And Havish, say give answer for me. Is it possible to provide single quotations in double quotations? Yes. Right. Havish answer is right. Then it is possible. Just we will check this anyway. So I want to go for like which one here? Durga Software Solutions. So what I want to provide there, just I want to say a single quotation here. Here I want to provide single quotation here. It's not out of println. I want to provide this. Inside the double quotation, I want to provide which one? No, a single quotation here. Yes, anyway, we will check this. Guys, don't compare with Python. Don't compare with Python. So just compare, just Java is having its own statements. Don't compare with Python. Right. Now here we are getting like which one here? No, single quotations are possible in the case of these double quotations. Guys, all of you understand it? Single quotations are possible in the case of this which one can know double quotations. That's okay, good. Next one is after completion of this point here, single quotations are okay, good. Next one is we want to go for like which one here? Double quotations. Inside the double quotations, possible or not? Inside the double quotations, I want to provide double quotations, possible or not? Double quotations, inside the double quotations, possible or not? See this, just I provided in Durga Software Solution is my string, where I provided software, double quotations I provided there. Right, now just we can compile it. Definitely we are able to get compilation error. Right, So here we are getting some compilation error. Double quotations here we are getting some compilation error. Alright, like this. That's okay, good. So now this is like it is not possible here we are getting error here now. But all of you observe carefully. All of you observe carefully. Just I want to use slash double quotation. Slash double quotation. Guys, observe this. There is an arrangement. There is an arrangement. If you want to write double quotations inside the double quotations, just let me check this option also. Previously, only double quotations I provided, but I have seen that it's not possible. We got some error. Now I provided only. Now I provided only slash software. That means slash double quotations and slash double quotations here we provided directly here we provided this content directly now. So here what we are getting there clearly after this now. In this scenario, I want to compile it. Possible or not possible? Just I want to compile this. Just we can give clarity. Just we are not getting any compilation error, guys. We are not getting any compilation error. So here we are able to execute this. When we execute this, here we are able to get output. Now the software is enclosed with like which one can double quotations here we are getting. Right. Software that I provided that software. So double quotation software here I given clearly now. Right. That's it. So this is what exactly the meaning of like which one here putting double quotations inside the double quotations, guys. Guys, all of you are getting my points or not? Now tell me, first of all, give clarity for me. Is single quotations are possible inside the double quotations? Is it possible to provide single quotations inside the double quotations? Yes, possible. Directly they are possible. Good. Is it possible to put double quotations inside the double quotations? Is it possible to provide double quotations inside the double quotations? Is it possible to use double quotations inside the double quotations? Directly it is not possible. Directly it is not possible. But with which slash here we have to use there now? Tell me, is it forward slash or backward slash? Is it forward slash or backward slash? Come on, guys. With the forward slash or backward slash? Definitely it is with which one? Backward slash. With the backward slash, it is possible. It is backward slash with it is possible. Right. This is what exactly the point here we can understand about this content clearly. Right, yes, now this is about like which one here string literals. The basic awareness here I've given there. That again we are going to discuss about string literals in the string manipulations part. In a string class we are going to discuss once again get these points now. Good. And next one is another literal is available. Character literal is existed. Right, sir. Then how we are able to provide this character literal actually? Char literal. Right. In a char literal, if you specify any letter, any single letter with a single quotations, then it is nothing but which one? Char data type. Char data type we can specify like which one here? Maybe a comma and capital B comma. Some like which one here? Some special characters are available slash n. Guys, what is the meaning of this slash n? Now tell me, do you have any awareness on this slash n? Do you have any awareness on this slash n? Alright, sir. This slash n stands for new line. New line. That means next line also. Okay, no problem. New line. So not space. Slash t. Guys, come on. Now tell me what is this slash t? Right, sir. Then slash t. Tab space. Right, sir. Then some other is also available. Not required. Just max. I'm going to use in my programming part max slash t and slash n. Slash t and slash n. I want to use max. That's okay. Good. Right, guys. Now this is then the total awareness here we can understand about this character. But one simple point here we have to understand. One simple point. Even though we specified characters like this here, but their internal representations are numeric representations. Their representations internally like which one? No, some numeric representations may be ASCII or maybe some values their internal representations. So because of this reason, this character type, character literal group, character is a data type, no? Character literal type is existed under which one? Integral part. Under integral part. We have to understand clearly now. This character literal group is also be come under like which one? No, integer or integral group literal. As all of you understand this clearly now. Right. So now this is what exactly the meaning of like which one? Character literal group which is available under like which one? Like which one there? Integral or integer group literals. That's it. This is guys, but I have a doubt guys. Now tell me, all of you now clarify for me. All of you clarify for me. All of you clarify for me. Now, in the case of Java, I will take char C is equal to single A. That's okay, good. Now, okay, I will provide this content here. It's not doubted println of C. Right. Now here, Java C space test.java. Compiled successfully, we are able to get that output like which one? Capital A. Output here we are getting there. That's okay, good. Next one is, of course, ASCII values are all are available there. It's okay, fine. And another thing is like which one here? Slash n. I think we are not going to display anything, but line character here we are getting there. Let me check this here. We are not going to display anything, but output point of view here, what we are getting there, no space. We can observe this. Previously, space is like which one? This much only. Here already that one line space here we provided there. Then after the remaining part here we are getting. So some space here we are getting there. Observe this clearly. But here my question is which one? Can I use 2 A's in a single character? As a single character, can I use that? And a single quotation, can I use 2 A's? No. Is it valid character recognition? Please confirm to me. Is it valid character literal? Is it possible? Right, sir. Now let me check this. Let me check this. Right, sir. Some closed character literal, something else here we are getting here. So definitely it's not a statement. Some errors here we are getting it. But whenever we are providing single character, it's okay. But whenever we are providing more than one character, here we are getting some problem clearly. Right, so that's okay, fine. Now here we are able to get some output also. Whenever I provided single value, here we are getting it. But more than one character is not possible in a single quotation. Single quotation only one thing is possible. Right, good. Otherwise, it will be a string. We can understand it. If it is a string, we have to provide which one? No, double quotations. Exactly. No. Right, sir. Good, guys. Now this is the total awareness here. We can understand on like which one? Literals only. What I completed here, types of letters. What is literal and types of letters here we completed. After completion of this, we need to go for some few more points are remaining. In the case of this literals, I will discuss with you later on. Few more points are existed there. Good, that's fine. Okay, guys, I'm going to stop this session today, and tomorrow I'll continue this class, and tomorrow we will see continuation of this topic. This literals topic is not completed, and I'll go for like which one? Some other. Difference between int and char. Char is character representation, and integer is which one? Might be numbers representation. That's the main difference here. Apart from that, we're not getting any other difference. Anyway, good. Havish and are you there? Havish. Guys, I think so. Videos are uploaded today. Max, check one time. Right. Just Havish, I given a number to you. Just ping me in WhatsApp there. I will talk with you. And just I'll give some links to you regarding this Java course. Not like that. Just I will talk with you. Just ping me in WhatsApp. Okay, good. But it is mandated to follow uppercase and lowercase. Yeah, then this also be then Luis and Krishna Naik. This also be like which one can know depends on the developer. So just have given one user defined variable may follow, may not follow. But Java is case sensitive. Remember this. Java is like which one they know case sensitive. Java is like which one case sensitive. Right, sir. String value is literal in Java, or string is a data type. That means which data type? No, user defined data type. That is nothing but class type. That is nothing but which one? Class type. Yeah. Then Preeti Reddy. Thank you, guys. And today morning might be some videos are uploaded. I think so. Day to day they are uploaded already in the Google Drive. Just please check that. It's already uploaded there. Guys, and those who are not registered so far, just try to register for the classes there. Maybe within 1 or 2 days of time, that link is going to be changed at max. Please think about it. How can you say string is immutable? Wow, there's a big story, Hemlata ma'am. Yes, I will discuss with in the future. Yes, it may take some time there, not immediately. Right? Why? Because once you created string object, on that object we are unable to perform any modification. If you're trying to perform modifications there, and then what will happen there? A new string object will be created. In that new string object only new data will be stored. but original string object data is as is. Same, original string object is as is. Understood, Hemlata ma'am? Once you created a string object with the data, that is fixed. If you're trying to modify the data, original string object data will not be modified. That modification will be occurred in another new string object, not in the same object. So this type of nature is nothing but which one? Immutable nature. Okay, good. Videos are already uploaded, Aishwari sir. No, it's not like static variable. The concept is different, sir. Then I will talk with you later. No need to worry for that. I'll talk with you later on. Then that concept is different. So anyway, don't get unnecessary confusion there. So already, if I created a string object, if I create a string object already in the string object, if I create a string object, in that, if I keep any data, the data is fixed. Even if you're trying to modify the data will not get any modification, but modified data will be stored by creating another new string object. That's why it is called as like which one? No, immutable. Right, so that's the meaning anyway. Then don't think much about it. It will be covered in string manipulations. We require some basic awareness on Java. Then only it is possible there. Right, sir. It is compulsory. Is it compulsory to write the char values in quotations? Definitely, it is mandatory. Yeah, definitely I will cover in the future. Yeah. We are at very basic only. So in the future we are going to see more and more number of topics. Good. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot, and I'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll see the remaining part. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Madam, 1 minute, man. Avish, bye. And ping me in WhatsApp. I'll talk with you.